Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting. If you guys are new here, make sure you smash that like, subscribe, turn my post notifications, and comment. So I'm trying to tell you guys a way that y'all can see me better. This one is this. No, sorry, I'm still gonna post this, don't worry. So I'm not gonna be able to use this arm or wrist, cause at the moment this is the sport I'm wearing. I'm gonna tighten this. I thought I might go skating, and basically Friday evening I was taken over there, and they said it was just spraying. And then Monday evening I was taken back over. Like after Friday evening they had me in an ace wrap, and Monday evening I went back over and they put me in a splint. Basically, if they were in a splint, what that means is fracture. Right here is the ice pack that they gave me. The only reason I keep that is because I need comfort. Alright, but let's get into today's video. So, I got a mini fridge, and I put all my snack stuff right here on my floor. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, and I have water, a Mountain Dew, and a Capri. I'm trying to do something y'all see at the end of my video what I'm doing. Sorry guys, pops up in this thing. These are, and I still have to get used to them, and I've lived here for like 5+ years. So basically my snacks are in this little bucket, and I'm going to keep them over here at my bookcase, right by my mini fridge. And I cleaned this out. And I'm going to bring this right here. And the first thing I have is my Skittles flavor packet. This green one is kiwi lime. These are like the tropical flavors. And then you have your Skittles pineapple passion fruit, blue one. And then the orange ones, I love the orange, literally like love it. I drink it 24/7. Is your mango tango Skittles. And then pink, which I think is supposed to be the red Skittle, maybe, I don't know. Is strawberry starfruit Skittles. This is gonna be different. So these are the flavor packets that I'll put in the waters. Okay, so our first one is my cashew cranberry almond trail mix. And then we have our Fudge Stripes Mini Originals. We have your Golden Original potato chips. You have your Goldfish Baked Snack Crackers, cheddar cheese. We have our Reese's Peanut Butter Nut Crackers. Guys. I'll put the Reese's Peanut Butter people in last. Let me do this one, so I can use this for something else. We have your lollipops. This is your lemon lime, your blue raspberry, my personal favorite, then cotton candy and bubblegum. And then we have your mystery flavor. Ooh. Because I want to save as much space in here guys as possible, so that each time I have snacks, I can put them in my snack bin. We have a Sweet Tarts Mary Mix. We have some green Lego candies. I have all the other colors. I can help it get those are so delicious, guys. We have a big candy cane and then little broken ones. We have a Redbird handcrafted candy mint. We have your normal Tootsie Rolls. We have your gold coin chocolates. I'm gonna put them actually back in the bag, guys, so that like if stuff gets on top of them, they're not gonna immediately melt. Like, they might slowly melt. And I'm not supposed to be using this wrist, but I kind of have no choice. These are your milk chocolate gold coins. And then, like I said, we have your flavor packets. And then, in my mini fridge here, I can move this around, which is a good thing, and I can put it in the car. I have it sitting like, my feet is slide on the glass, listen. So if you guys get dizzy. So basically, I got this for Christmas, so I know it's clean and sanitary, guys, trust me. So, this is what it looks like from the thing, so I just make sure y'all can see that. That's glass, you can see the bookcase that I have in my bedroom. If you need to drop it. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of water. And I'm gonna put them in sideways like so. And I can fit 2 on the bottom shelf. And for the top shelf, I have to put them sideways. And then, like Capri Sun, I'm going to put on the bottom just like this. Definitely that's the straw poking out. I'm gonna literally put like this in the bottom of my mini fridge. And then Mountain Dew, everybody's gonna be, that's not gonna stand. Well, I actually could possibly, but there's not room. So I'm gonna have to put it like this on the top. And guys, if my waters weren't in here, I probably could have some other things. But because of something medical that happened to me, guys, I'm trying to drink more water, but not like water 24/7, 7 days a week, even though I should be doing that, guys. So I'm trying to figure out where I can put my Mountain Dew in here without the water falling. I mean, I possibly found a way, but it's gonna be weird if I open it. Oh, wait. There we go. Now my mini fridge is full. Y'all will take a look from the outside, and then on the inside, this is everything. And then here's my snack tub. Don't worry, guys, I'll be adding a lot more snacks too. And then I have my little clear plastic container that I can use for anything. And that will be it for this video. I'll be doing a lot more videos soon. So bye, guys.